Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install TikTok app on Android. So let's start. Of course, you have to check first if your iPhone have available TikTok in your country. In my case, as my country, it's available TikTok. Well, only I have to go to Google Play Store. Let's go to search and let's write TikTok. So you can write it and then appears the app here. As you can see, I can install it without any problem. In case that doesn't appear the app, you have to probably use a VPN for install TikTok on your country. So in that way you can do it, but also, well, it's recommendable to check on your app store if you can see the app. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.